What is going on, guys? So today I'm actually going to be picking up my PS5. I had ordered it a week ago and I just got the email saying it is ready for pickup. So it's going to be ready at 10. It's 8:51 right now. So we'll just have to wait for a little bit. I'm currently just watching YouTube videos. Yeah. It is now 9:56. So we're gonna start heading out. Let's go pick up the PS5. Let's get it, boys. So we're finally here, boys. So it tells me that it's ready for pickup. Okay, boys. So I guess now we just wait. So what's up, guys? I'm getting a PS5 today, as I mentioned earlier. Reason being is because my friends have PS5s and we're all gonna be playing together. We're mainly gonna be playing. Yeah, it doesn't matter what we're gonna be playing. But anyways, I'm just waiting for the PS5 right now. But yeah. So I'm actually very excited to finally get it because I placed the order. Okay, so let me start over. Like I said, I'm actually very excited to get it today because I placed the order a week ago, and yeah, it was a week ago, and I thought I was gonna get it the day I placed it for pickup, but I guess they didn't have any in stock, so they had to wait for a shipment, and yeah, so very exciting. So I think this is him coming out right now. Yes, sir. I gotta show him the number. Oh.
Can you see an ID real quick?
Oh, you told me to show you this?
Can you see an ID as well?
I don't have my ID on me, but look. Oh shit, hold on.
You're all set.
Appreciate you, boss.
There?
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one. He was like, I need to see an ID. I'm so glad I caught that on camera. But anyways, we got it, boys. Yes, sir. Now let's get home. We got another Jeep brother right up there. You guys see him? Yes, sir. It's time to go home, boys. We made it home. About to do a little unboxing. So this is the disc-free console, the digital. Oh shit! Things broke it. Fucked up the box. And we gotta just keep fucking wrapping the box. Estoy tomando video.
Oh. Okay,
Here's my GoPro. So here's the controller. This is the power cord. Manuals. Pretty nice. Let's go plug this stuff up. Let's go. Taking a little snack break. So boys, out with the old and with the new. Oh yes sir. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.